Welcome back. In today's video, first, I don't think I've built a Mould King one for the channel yet, but this is a Mercedes 300 SL. Obviously for copyright reasons there's no Mercedes logo, they've put a 4-pointed star on it instead. But yeah, part of their mini luxury car range. Quite a small box, but yeah, let's delve in and see what's included. Very well packaged. And as you can see, comes with its own display case as well, this, which, neat idea. Got studs on so they're all stackable. A few little stickers. And there we go, five bags full of parts and quite a small little instruction manual. There we go. Let's crack on with the build. Here we go, guys, all built. I really do love the idea of the display case that comes with these, so you can keep collecting them, you can stack them, you can obviously store them dust free, and I've not connected that fully on those bricks, but yeah, it's fairly sturdy, and yeah, fits in there just right. Considering this set cost me a little over £10, I think this one came from Temu, and yeah, display case with it as well. I think that's an absolute bargain. Yeah, we'll definitely be getting some more of these to put together and build for you. What are your thoughts? As for the model itself, I would say it's fairly accurate for the car it represents. Really neat. Love the details in chrome on the vehicle as well. A lot of it you can't see. I mean, you've got a spare wheel just in there, but beneath all this, you know, there's multicoloured bricks inside this, and you can't see it all. The bonnet doesn't really open. You've got to, you'll just snap it off. But there's a little bit of detail in there. It doesn't, in my opinion, look like an engine, but yeah. So there we go. It is 8 studs wide, so it does fit in with the Speed Champions collection from Lego. But this series from Mould King, what do they call it? A mini luxury car, this range. Set 27037. So I'll have a look and see what others there are available. I have got a Batmobile from them that I still need to put together, so I might do that one shortly. And there are many other cars in the series. I think it does show in part of the book. Where did I see? Might be on the box. Yeah, on the top you can see there's a few other ranges there. So they've got a Ferrari. I think they do some BMWs and stuff like that. So yeah. What are your thoughts? Are you fans of Mould King? Have you got many of their sets, many of their cars? I've got some of the larger scale vehicles still to build. But yeah, I will be getting quite a few more of these smaller ones. I love the idea they go in their own little display case. That's a cracking idea. Although you are risking this coming over from China to see if that arrives in one piece or cracked, but yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, thanks for watching that one, guys. I shall see you on the next video. Thanks very much.